Get ready for the season of fall savings at Conicelli Toyota Service Center. We are here to help you to prepare for the changing weather and keep your Toyota in tip-top shape without breaking the bank. Don't let the changing leaves catch you unprepared. Purchase 3 tires for your Toyota and we will give you the 4th for just $1. That's right, a new set of tires to keep you safe on the road this fall. Breathe easy this autumn. Replace your air or cabin filter and enjoy a $10 discount. Ensure that the air inside your Toyota is fresh and clean as you cruise through the colorful landscapes of fall. Stay right on track this season. Get $10 off your Toyota's alignment service and ensure that your vehicle handles those winding roads with precision as you embrace the beauty of fall. Get ready for fall savings at Conicelli Toyota Service Center. Visit ConicelliService.com to take advantage of these service specials or call 888-289-5948 to schedule your appointment today. Conicelli Toyota Service Center, a nice place to do business.